because we're both King Kong.
What about King Kong?
King Kongs have a hammer. And all the Kongs in the and man on King Kong and fight the king. He's the biggest. Now fight the king.
King.
Yes, the king.
They are king. Who is king?
The King Kong.
King Kong.
Yes, not eat humans. Only the girls now got a floppy King Kong.
Fluffy King Kong.
Now he not to eat yung girl. Now he's to yung tree nasa planet something.
Planet something. Napunta na sa planet.
Yes, and we'll see. Sa King Dora was big. Just like King Kong and Godzilla. Now, next to this, Bio Godzilla. Mama, what's download sa King Dora na TV?
In the TV.
Yes, let's download it. Let's download it.